Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y76, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. And as you can see, this immediately boots us into Fastboot mode. So from here, using volume keys, you can either reboot the device or select the reboot or recovery mode, which obviously recovery mode will take you to the recovery mode. And once you have selected the option that you want to confirm, using those volume keys, you will need to confirm it with power key. Now, I just want to leave this mode right now, so I'm going to stick with reboot, power, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.